Hi, I'm Brian Bock. I'm an IICRC certified master textile cleaner, one of the owners of Bock's Steam Store. Obviously, during this COVID pandemic, healthy indoor cleaning systems are, I'm sure, on your mind right now. And I wanted to give you one aspect that maybe you haven't considered is the use of heat and its role in deep cleaning systems, which I'm sure is happening now and is coming, and we should in this time. But the use of heat and the role in the removal and treatment of unwanted substances, including biological germs and viruses, has been scientifically measured and demonstrated in studies sponsored by the US EPA, Air Quality Services, Air Health Group, and others between the years of 1991 and 2004. Okay, so what these studies indicated that we had measured reductions in biological contaminants can be clearly demonstrated in carpets, textiles, upholstery, hard floors, and the use of high-performance truck-mounted equipment can maintain temperature across the surfaces being cleaned of 160 degrees or more. Okay, so let's back up there and unpack that a little bit. Okay, so it's been proven to remove and help with the treatment of unwanted substances, including germs and viruses. That sounds like that'd be a good thing to me right now. So for carpets, textiles, upholstery, hard surface floors, but we need high performance hot water extraction equipment, okay? And we gotta maintain that temperature above 160 degrees temperature is what these studies indicated. So guess what? We have some of the best truck-mounted units available. Some of the largest truck mounts produce incredible amount of heat that hold that temperature up much higher than that. I said some of our trucks, you might get 2 to 230 degrees at the truck, and they'll hold temperatures much above 160 degrees while the operators actually pull water. Okay, a lot of companies will say, I have a truck mount or I use a portable unit and it's awesome, but good quality, high performance truck mounts can hold that temperature while the operators are actually drawing water in the extraction process. And that's the key and the point I want you to understand. Not all truck mounts are equal. Not all portables are equals, okay? And we have large enough truck mounted units that we can go, if you're a commercial customer, we can go high up into your facilities and still be using a truck mount with all that heated water. And that's a huge advantage. In this time, in any cleaning really, is because we clean better. It cuts through the oils better, separates the matter, and does a lot of good things for us. A cheap portable unit cannot achieve this temperature. And even if the manufacturers claim it can hold that temperature, a lot of them just can't. We have some of the best portable units. If you have a big high-rise, that we can go up to any floor you want to and do any service that we perform. And our portables are pretty good, but it's not a truck mount, okay? And we have the Cadillacs of truck mounts, so rest assured we're producing those temperatures, and that is a really, really good thing now. And I think it's a very healthy thing for your indoors to do in this time. So let us know if we can help. We are out there and we'll speak truth to you. Stay healthy, stay clean.